Hi! In front of me is SONY Xperia 10V, and today I would like to show you how you can connect it to printer. You need to begin by opening Settings and tapping on Device Connection. Now select Connection Preferences. Click on Printing after scrolling down over here and select Default Print Service. Then wait. Your device is now looking for a printer. When it finds one, it will connect to it. If you wish to use different print service, you need to disable this one by tapping on this switcher. Go back, tap on Add Service and install the best one for you. I will go with HP one. When your new service is ready, click on the back button twice. Then click on it and wait as well. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!